Hey, this is Brian. I am actually taking an overnight trip to the Harrah's Cherokee Valley Resort in Murphy, North Carolina. So come along and I'll give you a walkthrough of the king-size room. This one's actually on the 7th floor with a great view.
This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense. The Harrah's Cherokee Valley Resort is near Murphy, North Carolina. Don't get this one confused with Harrah's Cherokee Resort, which is actually in Cherokee, North Carolina. The hotel is situated on top of a large hill with great views all around. Due to COVID, they've restricted the traffic flow a bit. If you are visiting the hotel, you have to go through a check-in station and have your temperature taken. If it's okay, you're given an armband to wear around the hotel and casino to show your temp is normal. If you leave the hotel to go into town or out driving, you must have it taken again each time you return. Masks are required in all public areas of the resort. If you're just visiting the casino, you must have your temp taken at the security station before you enter the casino floor.
So when you first walk in, they're actually, like every place else, they have the plastic keys, so you can't have to worry about a regular key. Regular locks on the doors, another safety lock, it's always good. So walking in, there's actually a main switch that you can turn off a light that's farther inside, plus this one that turns off the one right by the door. So you can turn right in, not to worry about coming into a dark room. Lamp, chair, desk, pretty comfy looking bed with 2 nightstands with the reading lights right beside them, always like that. Remote phone. I like this that you have the air conditioning that you can adjust on the wall and not the loud one that's by the window. Above the bed, got some nice artwork. This hotel is not very old, maybe, I think it's less than 10 years old, probably not even that much. On the other side, you got an alarm clock, another reading lamp. Awesome view outside. We are on the 7th floor, and you can see the Blue Ridge Mountains all around us. So that's kind of nice. So the usual ice bucket with some tongs and some plastic cups. Another reading lamp, along with a chair for sitting at the desk. It has a fridge. I'm always a little afraid about opening these. Nope, there's nothing in there. It's just a fridge. Sometimes you go to casinos and they have the refrigerator freezers and they've got drinks and stuff in them, and you open it and jostle one a little bit and they have sensors and be like, oh, you took a Coke or a Bacardi or whatever, and get charged for it. So it doesn't look like that here, or they changed it up and aren't doing it. Another little drawer space. So not a huge room. Let's see what we have in the cabinet here. So I got some pretty good closet space. I always like having these so you don't have to put your luggage on the bed. You definitely don't want to do that, that's bad. So plenty of place to hang up. You have an iron board. I've already kind of thrown my backpack in here for the night, and a safe, which is always good. This is a drawer type. Never seen this one. It's interesting. Usually the ones that just kind of swing open. This is a slide. So the usual keypad. You close it, enter a 4-digit code. That's your code. Nobody else knows it. Especially in a casino, it's great. That way you can put your money in here, jewelry, anything like that, not have to worry about it. Close that a little bit. And then you have some more drawer space down here if you need it. Alright, so the bathroom. Let's see what we have here. So we gotta turn on the light. Alright, nice. Wow, this is a pretty good sized bathroom. Big counter, lots of storage space. Notice that they have these all over the place, little notes about doing your part, washing your hands. They took our temp in the car before we even got in the parking lot, since we were staying at the hotel. And I think you had to have you probably see the band on my arm. You have to keep that on at all times, saying you've had your temp taken at least once a day, I think. If you're staying more than one night, you have to go back and get it done again, which they have a different color for each day, I believe. So you got some extra towels at the bottom there. It's just me, so that's going to be plenty. Standard toilet, plenty of room. And the shower looks really nice. Shower is a glassed-in shower. Shower door. Let's see what we got here. Wow. This is not an ADA shower, but still pretty big. It's actually bigger than my one at home, which is kind of surprising. So that's kind of strange. The switch to turn on and off is over here, but your shower head is over on this side. It's a little strange. And all your amenities in there. Wow, let's take a long hot shower later. So you've got a plug in here, GFI outlet. Turn this light off, come back out. So you have an outlet here. Then you also have an outlet on each of the wall lamps. So if you need to charge your phone, laptops, anything like that. Wow, you got 4 over here. And I guess they actually do Ethernet if you need to plug in your laptop. Pretty sure you have to pay for that, but I'm not getting that, so I'm not too worried about it. So overall, this is a pretty good sized room. This was actually comped because I'm a member of the Caesars Rewards. I don't really play with Caesars much. I'm more of an MGM guy, but Caesars has more places within driving distance of me. And I guess right now things are kind of slow because of the pandemic, so it didn't cost me anything really. Even there's no resort fee because they don't have a pool. So I guess there's really not a resort, it's more of a just casino hotel. So hope this gives you an idea what the king size rooms look like here at the Harrah's Cherokee Valley Resort. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, which is going to be in that corner or this corner. All right, it's one of the corners. If not, just minimize this and go to the one that says subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for coming.